By 2050, there will be nearly 10 billion people on the planet. Their growing needs for food, water, and energy will tax our world like never before. We're already seeing the impacts of climate change, major biodiversity loss, and water scarcity. And if we don't take action now, global temperatures and sea levels will continue to rise, with more extreme weather, polluted air, forests and grasslands lost to food production, and species disappearing at record rates. But science shows us that there is a path to sustainability. By investing in smart solutions, we can safeguard coastal communities from severe storms, build healthier cities, ensure people can breathe cleaner air, feed the world sustainably, and protect the lands and waters that wildlife needs. By investing in nature, we can make a positive change today and leave a legacy to our children of a sustainable world where people and nature thrive. The actions we take in the next 10 years will determine the path forward for our world. Time is running out. We can and must move faster.
As the Nature Conservancy takes on the world's biggest challenges facing humanity today, it's critical that we speed up the pace of innovation and find ways to rapidly scale conservation solutions. And one way to do that is by harnessing the disruptive power of technology to solve for our food, water, and climate challenges. So TNC partnered with Techstars to launch the Sustainability Accelerator that's recruiting top tech entrepreneurs from around the world who are focused on sustainability challenges. And we're bringing them to our program to help them scale their companies and their impact. The Nature Conservancy could not be more excited about this collaboration with Techstars and these world-class technology entrepreneurs, as we all work together to find ways to better leverage technology to solve these important challenges.
The decisions we make in the next decade together will impact our world and shape the world our children will inherit. The world we depend on depends on us.